Hi everyone, this is again your most welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful Irish crochet lace sleeve. This video is dedicated to you, so let's do it together. Start the slip knot and chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and make a double crochet in 6 chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and make a double crochet in next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and make a double crochet in next chain. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet in first space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Guys, please watch my videos online to motivate me to make more videos. I can't thank you enough. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Chain 3 and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in last space. Chain 4 and make a double triple crochet in same space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in same space. Chain 3 and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Chain 3 and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Chain 3 and make a double triple crochet in next stitch. Chain 3 and make a double triple crochet in next space, last space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip stitch in fifth chain. Chain 1, make 5 single crochets in first space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a single crochet in first stitch. Now I'm going to crochet the puff stitch yarn over end. go under, go left, and pull once, yarn over and pull twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times, yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. Make 5 single crochets in next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Now I'm going to crochet the puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 1. Make 5 single crochets in next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet in next stitch and make a puff stitch. Yarn over and pull once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and make 5 single crochets in next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet in next stitch, yarn over and pull once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and make 5 single crochets once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in next stitch and make a puff stitch. Six and 7. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, make 7 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a single crochet in next stitch and make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and make 7 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a single crochet in next stitch and make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1. Now I'm going to crochet, single crochet 5 in this space. Make a single crochet in this stitch, make a puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1 and keep going. Make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a single crochet in next stitch and make a puff stitch. I crocheted all around. At the end, make a slip stitch in first chain and make a puff stitch. Make a last puff stitch. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch in first single crochet. This is my first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1 and make a single crochet in first single crochet, 2, 3 and 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a single crochet like a picket. Skip 1 stitch and make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a single crochet like a picket. Skip and make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a single crochet like a picket. Skip and make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3 and make a single crochet like a picket. And repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3 and make a single crochet like a picket. I crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 single crochets, chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Chain 3 and make a single crochet, Here is the top of the leaf. Make a single crochet in first stitch, chain 3 and make a slip stitch. If you enjoy my videos, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. I'm glad you found it helpful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochets, chain 3 and make a single crochet like a pocket, skip and make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 3 and make a single crochet, keep going. I crocheted the other side of the leaf, make 5 single crochets, then chain 9, skip first chain and make 8 single crochets in next 8 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make a single crochet like a pocket and make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. My leaf is ready. Thanks for watching. I will like and comment in space as to create more, so don't forget to like, share your sites and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one!